Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are unpackaging this yellow flame Zippo butane lighter insert. Had the single torch butane insert before, and also the electric arc insert. Both of those were just about what I expected, although the single torch insert crapped out on me a little bit sooner than I expected. But I am eager to try, if I can get it out of the packaging, I'm eager to try this soft yellow flame insert, as there are many times where that is a more suitable flame for what I'm trying to do, at least versus a Zippo, which may disappear here and there in the wind. So this is a flint sparked lighter insert. Pull our flint spring screw out and make sure that we have a flint in there, which we do. It has been grooved already, so that should work just fine. There you see the spark, which looks sufficient enough. Go ahead and tighten that back down. And we'll go ahead and fuel this up with compressed butane and see how it works. There are some instructions here for filling it. It says butane filling instructions. Some inserts are shipped filled with butane or empty without fuel. This one appears to be empty. There is the fill valve, and it doesn't look like there is an adjustment. So always fill with Zippo or Ronson butane. Reminds me of the article that I just wrote this morning. Always fill the butane insert in the upside down position, ventilated area. Hold it away from face. Read all warnings. For safe refilling, ensure proper mating between refill can and nozzle. Firmly press butane can tip downward into inlet. Wait at least 2 minutes after refilling butane in the insert. This allows, so it doesn't really tell you how to fill it. So we will go ahead and stick with what I typically do, which is about 6 seconds. So we're going to get our vector butane nozzle right down there on that inlet valve. That's about 6 seconds. So we will let that set for just a moment. Said to let it set for at least 2 minutes. We'll see if we can hold out that long or not. Got the instructions. We'll keep that back there out of the way. Also have the box. We'll make sure and keep that in case we need to refer to it here in a moment. I think what we'll do here is go ahead and pull out the insert of our all-around marijuana leaf design Zippo from 2017. Still has the original insert in it, or I shouldn't say still. has the original insert back in it. There were a couple of others that have been in here over the course of the last couple of years, which I believe both the electric arc insert and the single flame torch insert that we've used in this lighter. Tells you to keep it out of the reach of children. It says Zippo, then Zippo Manufacturing Company, Bradford, PA, USA. Don't know what that Z8A20 would be for, but the A22 is obviously when it was produced. A being January, 22 being 2022. I would assume so anyway. Just a guess, but I think it's probably a correct and at least somewhat educated one. The insert slides right in and seems to fit well enough. There's a little bit of movement from side to side, which there is always some movement from side to side or from front to back. So a little bit of movement. Does close properly. Took our second strike there to get it to ignite. Not too bad. That is a strong soft yellow flame, and one that I think will suit me just fine for the purposes that I intend to use it. We'll see how well this continues to operate, whether it lights things up as well as we would hope, and then how it holds up over time, whether the file wheel assembly, whether this opening where the flame comes out gets sooted up, there are any problems with the filling. Shouldn't be any problem with the flint spring or screw. That would seem to be pretty basic. So there you have it. The all-around leaf design, marijuana design Zippo lighter, which is currently holding the flint sparked butane fueled soft yellow flame Zippo replacement insert. I think this is going to do just fine. We will continue to review this product though and have further videos letting you know exactly how it is functioning, and keep your eyes out for an article on the website as well. Until next time.